So now let's create a memo for the watercolors that we used. And I'm going to use this element here from the palette swatches, which is also available on Alyona Creates. I'm going to start by swatching 5, but I have a feeling there were more, so I'm going to leave myself a bit of space. And let's start by swatching these colors, and then we'll see how it goes. I'm just going to move it so I don't add any accidental splashes. So this first was the pink one, gorgeous color. It's a gorgeous alternative to Opera Pink, and having not used this palette for a while, I forgot about it. So another good reason why you should go through all of your palettes that haven't had some love in a little while. Then we had Geranium Red. Next one is this beautiful yellow, which is transparent yellow. It requires quite a bit of water to make it glow. Similar to Nicolaise yellow, can look a little bit muddy. And then what else did we have? So I mixed up a purple by using quinacridone purple and Delft blue, and then we'll go on to our greens. Delft blue is really intense color, you only need a little bit of it. Otherwise it's one of those that will end up looking like black. Okay, so how many greens did I use? I used these 2 to mix up, and I used quite a few actually. Permanent green olive, I've used, I think I've used like a 5. I can't quite remember now. This is why it's good to do this as you go. So going forward, I think I'm going to be doing that in the other tutorials. Okay, there's not enough space for 4, so it'll have to be 3. I could do a 4 beneath it. Well, let's see, I could do 2 like this and then really truly swatch out every single color that I have used. So we have got this beautiful transparent green gold. We have used olive green, yellowish. And then we have got cobalt green. Did I use it? Can't quite remember, but I definitely used this one, which is May green. And then I've used the transparent green olive. I think I've used the Prussian green as well, come to think of it now. So let me do Prussian green quickly. I only used a little bit of it, so as you can see, I've been mixing a lot of watercolors today rather than using convenience colors. And therefore you end up using more colors to get to the right tone when you're mixing. Okay, and lastly, Paraline green. That's a very dark color also, you just need a little bit of it. It's a great alternative to a black, as it has a green tint to it. There is a Derwent pencil that reminds me of this color. Okay, so there we go. All the colors swatched. I will title them in my own time so that I know exactly what I used if I wanted to repeat a similar color palette next time. But that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'm going to enjoy my bookmark for sure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.